This is the afternoon trade webinar and morning impact trade webinar recap for the week of December 16th through the 20th. This week went pretty well. We had a lot of good trades across both webinars. Ended up seeing a pretty good amount of growth. This could have been higher. It should have been closer to about 2.5 or 3%, and I'll explain kind of why here in a little bit. But overall, we had 80% win percentage, and that was across 4 separate currency pairs: the pound, NASDAQ, the Dow, and also the US yen. Profit factor of a 2.91. I'm always striving to try to keep that above a 2, so that was great. Overall profitable pips of 144.9 and an average of 1.7 trades per day. So yeah, overall really well with those statistics. But then also our average win and our average loss was actually pretty good. $323.96 for the average win and an average loss of $444.56. So somewhere there in between a 2-to-1 and a 1-to-1, which would really only require maybe a 60% win percentage to be profitable for the week. But we were able to stretch quite a few wins this week, resulting in that 80% win percentage. Looking at those currency pairs, those 4, we can see that all of them came out with a positive net profit. Even though like the US yen did have a little bit of a lower win percentage at 67%, overall still every currency pair we traded this week was profitable. And then when we look at our day of the week, we can see that Monday was by far the best. We had 4 trades, 3 wins, 1 loss, but still came out very profitable with $612 of profit. Friday was actually a mistake on my part. I exited out of a trade early. This trade should have netted us somewhere around $300 to $400 in profit as well, but that one got cut short. Like I said, my fault, but still ended up slightly profitable, but should have been much higher. And then as far as like the hours, we can see our afternoon trade webinar. We had the 1 win that was on Tuesday with $504 in profit, and then our morning impact trade webinar coming out very profitable with an overall 78% win percentage. We should have had 1 more win. We took a trade on the afternoon trade webinar on Thursday, but we put that one into a separate account, but that was another $500 win. So overall, a really good week for both of these webinars. And it's nice to be able to see, the consistent wins, especially with the win percentage, what it was around 80%, and we'll continue to try to hit numbers just like this.